Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you on the LG TV how to deal with the file format error, and of course that's with the case where your TV cannot play a particular file format. Alright, so I have a file here on this LG ThinQ AI TV, works on any LG TV. Now of course if I go to this file here and hit play, you'll get this particular error. And the error clearly says this file cannot be recognized, right? And it says returning to list. All right, so that's an error, and it's relating to the TV not simply being able to play that file format. All right, let me explain. Now, of course, this file is a WMV file. There are other file types as well. The TV cannot decode certain video files or it could be even an image file, right? So once it cannot do that, it will give that error that it basically cannot recognize the file. All right, now there's still hope. What you need to do in order to fix this issue is that you would need a file converter. So you need a computer. You'll have to take that file and you take it to your computer and convert the file over to another file format. You can use an app on your phone or an app on your laptop that does file conversions, and you need to convert your file over to a format that your TV can recognize. I recommend MP4. AVI files are similar. All right, I'll show you one. There's also online ones in case you do not have a app or cannot find an app on your laptop. All right, so you can use a online one. I'm going to show you one of those that I use for free. It's not really a recommendation, it's just showing you what I use. And of course, all right, so this is the one that I use. It's called Cloud Convert, and of course I do not know the site. I'm not affiliated, I'm only using it. I simply typed up in Google for a file conversion or file converter. Also, I'm not sure about the privacy of this website or its policies in what you upload, so be cautious. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna select your file from your computer, and of course next, say it's in WMV as I was showing you earlier. You're gonna choose what format. MP4 is fine, then you're gonna hit convert. All right, so once you start the conversion process, it's gonna give you the output as a MP4 file. So it's gonna convert the file over. Nothing with this converter is that it does several things. It does a bunch of stuff. So you notice here, it can do, and it seems they're adding new stuff all the while. So it can do, it can convert fonts, ebooks, you name it. But the thing I like is that it does audio. Sorry, I didn't adjust the camera just now. It can do audio. It can do video. Video is the one you'll be most likely interested in. And of course, you can go ahead and choose which format. So the input format was WMV. And of course, you can choose the output format. And as you see here, you can choose audio. Since it's a video format, you choose video and so on. Or you can just convert it to audio. But in your case, it's converted video to video. So you can change it to MP4, AVI, or a supported file for your LG TV. So once you keep it simple, it should be good. So WMV to MP4, and that should do it, and we convert. All right guys, here's the same file over here, and it's a what do I call it? It's a MP4 file. All right, so if you hit play, all right, so you see it's playing. All right, so the file is working fine. It's just a short video clip, and of course it's working. All right, so you see that it does play. All right, so it's a simple test file. So once you convert it to the format, which is MP4, it does work. All right, and you can tell when it works most times because you'll see a preview, meaning that the system has detected and played or draw up a picture for the preview. All right, so do hope this was helpful, and I hope you now know to fix that error when certain video files are not playing on your device. All right, so as always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.